Hopefully this thing's working. We'll see. Still testing out the new microphone, so hopefully you can see me. Well, welcome everybody. It's Michael from Palmatier Photography. We're going to be playing with our new toy. This is going to be our Road Atlanta Traversal system, aka the Go Trax G4 electric scooter. I'm ready to get this thing started and just have a good time. Gotta put in my PIN code. Honestly, this thing's kind of lit, not even gonna lie. And I can change gears here. I didn't know an electric scooter has gears, but I can launch it up into number 2. Honestly, I'm liking this, to be honest. I'm really liking this. We'll go back down to 1. But yeah, we got a 45 mile an hour, no, not mile an hour, but 45 mile range. And while I got it parked here, so let's go over some of the safety features. So we got the brake here. The battery is connected to the back tire, so you can regen brake. Another cool feature is that it is foldable. So you can, this little lever here, pull it up, pull it all the way forward, and then from there you can swing it and pick it up. This thing weighs in just under 40 pounds, so I mean, obviously I wouldn't want to lug this around all day, but if I needed to pick it up, put it in my car, take it down, pick it up some stairs, like I could do it for a little bit. So it's honestly, it's a pretty fly little machine. Another one of the cool safety features is that on this side, I don't need to buy a separate lock because it already comes with one. So you can just take this, pull it out some, and wrap it around whatever you do, set a code. I already set a code, but I'm not telling anybody what it is so they don't steal my scooter. This is the only part I don't like, is you kind of got to push it back in. But all in all, let's see, can I get it back in? That's what she said. Said no one ever, because I'm on a scooter. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Jesus. Jesus Christ. Yeah. All right. Flat spot in the tires a little bit. So you can see the speed going almost 10 miles an hour right here. And then if we want to switch gears, so that's it, switching gears. So now it's in gear 2 again. And then we got ourselves a little bell. I already showed y'all the bell, but we got our bell, brakes. Pretty fly little machine. Here's the bad thing though. Like, you see where I'm at? Can you see my feet? Not really a lot of space for big booty Latinas on this. So that's something they can improve upon. Big booty Latinas got to be able to fit on the Road Atlanta Traversal system, you know? Bro, look at this turn radius. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, braking track limits. Yeah, we're hitting 16.3 along this back straight here. Maintain the speed. I'm hitting 16.3 again. Oh! All right, that's enough laps. This thing's pretty sick. We're gonna be doing more tests. So we're gonna be doing a hill test, and then we're gonna be doing a field test where we're gonna be at Road Atlanta covering Moto America, and we'll see how this does. So stick around for that.